from Northway Ford Lincoln. What we're going to talk about today is how to use your information system. That works off of these four little buttons here. Number one, you click over to see exactly what you're looking at from trip 1 to trip 2. Information settings. All right, wherever you want to find, you press the OK button, and then it allows you to use driver assist, which turns off your traction control. Vehicle information, which tells you everything from compass to chimes, easy exit, easy entry. Now this is a titanium level, so it's got a ton of stuff. Also, what most people are going to be using is driver 1 or driver 2. And that's pretty neat because you get to see the speedometer, the odometer, average fuel, instant fuel economy, distance to empty, and trip time. Or you can see all four. This is a 2018 Ford Titanium Escape, and it's got a lot more features too. Talk to you soon.